Hello everyone, let's talk about another easy problem on Leetcode today. Number of senior citizens, Leetcode 2678. In this problem, we are given a zero index array of strings, details. Each element of details provides information about a given passenger compressed into a string of length 15. The system is such that the first 10 character consists of the phone number of passengers. The next character denotes the gender of the person. The following two characters are used to indicate the age of the person, and the last two characters determine the seat allotted to the person. Then we have to return the number of passengers who are strictly more than 60 years old. Then they have given some examples as well. In example 1, we can see that there are 3 passengers in details array represented by these long numbers. Then the age of first passenger is 75, the age of next passenger is 92, and the age of last passenger is 40. Then we can see that there are 2 passengers with ages 75 and 92 which have aged more than 60 years. So we will return 2 in this case. So this is mainly like a parsing problem where we will iterate over these details array, and then for each string we will try to parse out the age using substring function, and then we convert it into the integer and then do the comparison. So we can see that first 10 characters are phone numbers of the passengers and next character denotes the gender. So we have to ignore first 11 characters and then we have to take a substring of length 2. So for that, let's look at Java substring function. So Java substring function takes begin index and end index, and it returns the substring between these two indices. And note that begin index is inclusive and end index is exclusive. So for example, when we take string as smiles and begin and end index are 1 and 5, then we get a substring starting from character at index 1, that is M, and ending at character with index 4, that is E. So we will get substring as smile. So coming back to our problem, we can see that first 11 characters are not useful to us. So we skip all the characters till index 10. Then for age, we need the substring from 11th character. So our begin index will be 11 and we need the string of length 2, right? So for that, our end index will be 13. So to extract age, we need substring between indices 11 and 13. Now let's see this in action. So let's define count, which we will return at the end of this function. Then we will start iterating on the details array. Now we will extract the age string using substring function. Then we convert it to integer to check if it is more than 60 or not. And in Java, we can use integer.parseInt or integer.valueOf to convert string to integer. We can use integer.valueOf here to take slight advantage of caching. I will share the Stack Overflow link highlighting the difference between integer.valueOf and integer.parseInt in the video description. And now we see if age is more than 60, then we will increment the count. That's it. Now we return the count. Let's run this code. Let's submit this code. Cool. In terms of time complexity, it will be O of n into L, where n is the length of the details array and L is the average length of the string. But we can see that length of each ticket is 15. So it will become O of 15n or O of n. And note that pre-Java 7, substring function used to take O of one time because it's used to just create the substring using those offsets. That is a begin index and end index. But after Java 7, it takes a copy of the whole string, and that's why the time complexity it results is O of L, where L is the length of the string. So in our case, we were lucky that L was equal to 15, that is constant. So that's why overall time complexity is O of N. And in terms of space complexity, it is O of 1 because we are not using any extra space. So that's it. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, please like and subscribe. Have a nice time. Thank you.